Ever wondered how your favorite celebrities cook their meals? Well, you're not alone. The fascination with celebrity cookbooks has surged in recent times, leading us on a culinary journey through the lives of some of our favorite stars. These cookbooks offer a delightful blend of entertainment, culinary inspiration, and personal insights that make us feel a little closer to the glitterati. Imagine whipping up a meal from Questlove's mixtape Potluck, or diving into the gastronomic universe of Eric Wareheim's Foodheim. Or perhaps you'd prefer the clean and conscious approach of Gwyneth Paltrow's The Clean Plate series. From the spicy kick of Danny Trejo's Tacos to the Italian charm of Stanley Tucci's The Touchy Table, there's a celebrity cookbook for every taste and preference. And it's not just about the food. These cookbooks serve up a generous side of personality. Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook, Action Bronson's Fuck, That's Delicious, and Stoned Beyond Belief, and Chrissy Teigen's Cravings trilogy offer a tantalizing peek into the lives and culinary preferences of these famous personalities. But these books aren't just for starstruck fans. They're also a source of inspiration for young chefs like Laurent Dagenet, who rose to fame through TikTok and Instagram after a decade in fine dining. His viral Gravlax recipe sparked international debate and led to his own cookbook, Always Hungry. Of course, not all viral recipes are gold. The web is rife with questionable cooking hacks that lack flavor balance, nutritional value, and proper cooking techniques. But that's a story for another day. Today, we're here to sift through the glitz and glitter of celebrity cookbooks to separate the culinary gold from the mere glitter. So, let's delve into the world of celebrity cookbooks and put their recipes to the test. Choosing the right recipes from a sea of celebrity cookbooks can be quite a task. Indeed, it's like trying to find the most delicious needle in a haystack of culinary gold. But fret not, we've done the hard work for you, combing through the glossy pages and mouth-watering pictures of famous personalities turned foodie aficionados. From Questlove's mixtape Potluck to Gwyneth Paltrow's The Clean Plate series, we've got a diverse mix of celebrity cookbooks on our chopping block. Each one offers a unique glimpse into the lives of these stars, interwoven with their personal culinary preferences. It's quite fascinating to see how their individualistic styles have influenced their approach to food. We've got Danny Trejo's bold and spicy Trejo's Tacos, and Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook, which promises a journey from the streets to the stove. Then there's Stanley Tucci's The Tucci Table, a delightful exploration of Italian-American cuisine, and Chrissy Teigen's Cravings trilogy, with its unapologetic love for comfort food. We've also included a refreshing addition from the social media world, Chef Laurent Dagenet's cookbook, Always Hungry. It's a testament to his viral culinary journey, offering a mix of his most loved recipes. To keep things exciting, we've even thrown in a few questionable recipes from the viral cooking videos that have taken the internet by storm. You know, the ones labeled as hacks, but are more like culinary curveballs. But don't worry, we haven't just picked these recipes at random. Each one was carefully chosen for its unique appeal, whether that's a celebrity's personal touch, a viral sensation, or just plain curiosity. So we've got our recipes, each one as diverse and exciting as the next. From the lavish to the simple, the traditional to the experimental, we're in for a wild culinary ride. With our recipes selected, it's time to hit the kitchen. Welcome to the heart of the culinary adventure, the cooking process. This is where the magic happens, where raw ingredients transform into tantalizing dishes. It's like watching a painter bring a canvas to life. Only in this case, our canvas is the kitchen countertop, and our paint, well, that's our ingredients. First up, we're diving into the world of Questlove with his mixtape Potluck. This journey begins with a unique ingredient, memories. Yes, you heard that right, memories. Questlove's recipes are inspired by his encounters with various artists and their favorite dishes. So when you're cooking from this book, you're not just preparing a meal, you're recreating a memory. Isn't that something? Now let's turn up the heat with Danny Trejo's Tacos. This cookbook is a testament to Trejo's Mexican roots, and it's all about bold flavors and traditional cooking techniques. There's a sense of authenticity that comes alive in each step of the cooking process, from roasting the chilies to slow cooking the meats. It's like a dance with fire, and the result is a symphony of flavors. Next, we're stepping into the sophisticated world of Stanley Tucci with the Touchy Table. This cookbook is all about Italian elegance and simplicity. The techniques are time-honored, the ingredients are fresh, and the results are nothing short of stunning. It's like an opera in your kitchen, where each ingredient plays a crucial role and the final dish is a masterpiece. And finally, we're bringing the fun with Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook. This cookbook is a celebration of Snoop's journey, and the recipes are packed with personality. There's a playful approach to the cooking process with a mix of classic dishes and Snoop's unique twists. It's like a party in your kitchen, and everyone's invited. But let's not forget about the new kid on the block, Laurent Dagenet. His cookbook, Always Hungry, is a mix of viral and new recipes that are both approachable and exciting. His cooking process is all about authenticity, drawing from his diverse culinary background. It's like taking a trip around the world, right from your kitchen. Now, cooking is a sensory experience, and each of these cookbooks brings something unique to the table. The ingredients, the techniques, the stories, they all come together to create a culinary symphony that's as delightful to cook as it is to eat. The aroma of these dishes is tantalizing, but the real test is in the tasting. The moment of truth has arrived, the taste test. We're stepping into the flavor universe of the stars, where each bite could either be a supernova of culinary genius or a black hole of regret. So let's dive in, shall we? First up, we have Questlove's Mixtape Potluck. This dish sings a symphony of flavors that harmonize beautifully with each other. A bold combination, it's like a jam session in my mouth. The flavor profile is complex yet approachable, much like the man himself. So does it match the expectations? Absolutely, it's a chart topper. Next, we're trying out Gwyneth Paltrow's The Clean Plate series. As the name suggests, it's a clean, fresh, and healthy dish. But does it pack a punch? Well, it's like a delicate ballet of flavors, elegant and nuanced. It's not an explosion, but a gentle, mindful experience. It hits the mark for those who prefer subtlety and sophistication in their meals. Moving on to Danny Trejo's Tacos, the expectations were sky high, and let me tell you, it doesn't disappoint. It's a fiesta, a celebration of bold and spicy flavors, a true homage to Trejo's Mexican roots. It's like a high-octane action movie, each bite more thrilling than the last. Now it's time for Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook. This dish is as smooth and laid back as Snoop Dogg himself. It's comfort food with a kick, a soulful melody of flavors that leaves you feeling satisfied and content. It's exactly what you'd expect from the king of cool. Finally, we have Laurent Dagenet's viral gravlax recipe from his cookbook Always Hungry. This dish is a wild card, but it's surprisingly delightful. It's a sophisticated blend of flavors that showcases Dagenet's fine dining background. It's like a modern art piece, complex and thought-provoking, yet accessible. It exceeds expectations, proving that Dagenet is more than just a TikTok sensation. The taste test has brought some surprising results. Let's reflect on the overall experience. Cooking celebrity recipes has certainly been a ride, and the results are nothing short of unbelievable. Let's dive into the surprising outcomes of this culinary experiment. First, we have Questlove's Mixtape Potluck. The melodies of flavors harmonized like a well-orchestrated symphony, showcasing the musician's taste for rhythm not only in music, but also in food. Then, we cooked from Eric Wareheim's Foodheim. The creativity and humor in his recipes translated into a burst of unexpected flavors on the plate, a true comedic culinary experience. We also attempted Gwyneth Paltrow's The Clean Plate series. The dishes were clean, fresh, and surprisingly flavorful, a testament to the star's commitment to health and wellness. From Danny Trejo's Tacos, we learned that simplicity can indeed be powerful, with a straightforward taco recipe that packed a punch. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. We had a few hiccups along the way. Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook had us feeling a bit lost in the kitchen, with some recipes missing a few key steps. Despite this, the end product was still quite tasty, proving that sometimes improvisation is key. Finally, we took on Laurent Dagenet's viral gravlax recipe from his cookbook Always Hungry. The dish sparked international debate, and we can see why. The gravlax had a balance of flavors that was nothing short of exquisite, demonstrating that Dagenet's rise to fame is no fluke. These results truly show that celebrity cookbooks offer more than just a glimpse into the stars' kitchens. They provide a unique journey into their world, their tastes, and their approach to food, all of which can result in some truly unbelievable dishes. After all the cooking and tasting, it's time for the final verdict. We've embarked on a culinary journey, exploring the kitchens and the food philosophies of some of our favorite celebrities. From Questlove's Mixtape Potluck to Eric Wareheim's Foodheim, from Stanley Tucci's The Touchy Table to Laurent Dagenais' Always Hungry, we've stirred, sautéed, and savored our way through a gastronomic galaxy of star-studded recipes. We've had some hits and, well, a few misses. But if there's one thing we've learned, it's that cooking isn't just about the final dish. It's about the process, the experience, and the stories that come with it. Each page of these celebrity cookbooks, each recipe, is a slice of their life, a peek into their world. But let's get down to brass tacks. Is cooking from a celebrity cookbook worth it? The answer isn't as straightforward as a yes or a no. It's like asking if watching a movie or reading a book written by a celebrity is worth it. It depends on what you're looking for. If you're seeking culinary inspiration, a way to feel closer to your favorite stars, or just a fun new way to spice up your cooking routine, then yes, these cookbooks are absolutely worth it. But remember, these books are not just about recipes. They're about a passion for food and the joy of sharing it with others. They remind us that cooking is an art, a form of self-expression, and a way to connect with those around us. They inspire us to step out of our comfort zone, to experiment, and to create something deliciously our own. In the end, we've learned that cooking, like life, is a journey. It's about exploring, experimenting, and enjoying the ride. We might not always get it right, but that's okay. Because in the kitchen, as in life, it's not about the destination, but the journey. Celebrity cookbooks might not turn us into star chefs, but they certainly offer a unique culinary adventure worth exploring. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.